Hello everyone, welcome to our episode 9. Today we are going to talk about how to use is, am, are. Before we move further, let's revise how to use is, am, are. First is am is only used with I. I am a student. Is he, she, it के साथ use होता है and are you, we, they. For example, I am a student. He is a good boy. She is a good girl. Delhi is a big city. Are जैसे हमने कहा, we use it with you, we, they. So one is you are a good girl. We are good students. They are all good girls. अब आपको ये बात याद रखनी होगी कि these are all in present tense. In the comments below, you can write 3 sentences using is, am and are.